Hello, my name is Ankit Singh. I am from Uttar Pradesh. In my academics, I have completed BTech in mechanical engineering. When I started for searching job in IT, I got to know about Evision from my brother. They provide 3 months internship program in which I enrolled and I learned about the Windows, Outlook, basic of networking and Windows administration, CCNA and ITIL. After that, I got placed at Impact Infotech with 2.8 LPA. I must recommend all the student who is searching for job in IT. If you follow all instructions and guidance provided by Evision teachers and team, you will definitely make it with Evision. I want to say thank you to all teachers and Evision team, and special thanks to Sati ma'am, Priya ma'am, and Amit sir for their continuous support. Thank you, Evision.